Welcome to this exclusive look at the Mercedes luxury motorhome, a vehicle that combines the elegance of a high-end bus, the performance of a semi-truck, and the comfort of a modern home. From the moment you approach this motorhome, its presence is undeniable. The front grille, inspired by Mercedes' signature design language, gleams under the showroom lights. The iconic Mercedes logo sits prominently, symbolizing quality and luxury. The headlights are modern LED units designed not only for illumination, but also to make a bold statement. The body of the motorhome is fully metallic with a glossy finish that reflects the surrounding showroom perfectly. It features intricate paneling and chrome accents that highlight the contours and lines of the vehicle, giving it a dynamic yet refined look. The motorhome sits on 10 perfectly polished tires, each with detailed rims that exude strength and style, adding to the imposing road presence of the vehicle. The exterior design is not just about aesthetics. Every curve, every line is aerodynamically optimized for stability and efficiency while driving on highways or winding mountain roads. The side mirrors are equipped with advanced cameras for improved visibility, and all windows are tinted, offering both privacy and UV protection. The motorhome is equipped with integrated storage compartments and utility access panels that maintain the sleek exterior while providing practical functionality. The combination of polished chrome, metallic paint, and full glass panels creates an eye-catching reflection, especially in a high-end showroom setting, making this motorhome a perfect blend of luxury and engineering precision. As we step inside, the driver cabin immediately showcases sophistication and technology. The dashboard is spacious and meticulously designed, with a combination of premium leather, polished wood, and chrome accents. The steering wheel is ergonomically designed, with integrated controls for audio, navigation, and vehicle settings. The digital instrument cluster displays all necessary driving information clearly, and a large touchscreen in the center provides access to navigation, multimedia, and climate control. The seats are fully adjustable with premium leather upholstery designed for long journeys to provide both comfort and support. Ambient lighting creates a modern high-tech feel without being harsh, making night driving comfortable and visually appealing. Large panoramic windows allow the driver to enjoy unobstructed views of the surroundings, whether driving through city streets, mountain highways, or scenic countryside routes. Moving into the lounge, the luxury theme continues. The lounge is spacious, featuring plush leather sofas that can comfortably seat multiple passengers. Soft, high-quality cushions enhance comfort while maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic. A modern coffee table sits in the center, perfectly sized for both convenience and elegance. The lounge is bathed in ambient LED lighting, highlighting the polished wooden and metallic finishes. Panoramic windows on either side create an open, airy atmosphere, allowing natural light to fill the space during the day. The entertainment system is seamlessly integrated with hidden speakers and a retractable screen, providing a cinematic experience for passengers. Subtle decor elements such as small plants or elegant lighting fixtures complete the luxurious feel of the lounge, making it a perfect place to relax during travel. Adjacent to the lounge, the kitchen is a marvel of design and functionality. It features sleek metallic cabinets with integrated handles, marble countertops that are both beautiful and durable, and state-of-the-art appliances, including a stove, oven, refrigerator, and a modern sink. Ambient lighting under the cabinets adds both practicality and elegance. Every element in the kitchen is designed for efficiency, with smart storage solutions that make use of every inch of space. The kitchen blends seamlessly with the lounge, maintaining an open-plan design that feels spacious and inviting. The reflective surfaces and chrome finishes enhance the overall luxurious aesthetic, ensuring that even meal preparation feels like a high-end experience. The bedroom, located beside the lounge, continues the theme of opulence and comfort. It features a large king-size bed with premium bedding and decorative pillows that provide a restful and stylish environment. High-end wood and chrome finishes extend throughout the bedroom, from built-in storage cabinets to elegant side tables.
Ambient lighting creates a soothing atmosphere, perfect for relaxation after a long day of travel. Panoramic windows with adjustable shades allow both natural light and privacy, offering views of the scenery outside. The bedroom is designed to be both functional and indulgent, with ample storage, comfortable furnishings, and attention to every detail, making it feel like a five-star hotel room on wheels. The motorhome's bathroom is compact, but designed with luxury in mind. It features a modern toilet, a glass-enclosed shower with a rainfall showerhead, and marble flooring and countertops. Sleek metallic faucets and a backlit mirror provide both functionality and elegance. Storage cabinets are cleverly integrated to maximize space while maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. Ambient lighting enhances the sense of luxury and makes the space feel larger and more inviting. Every element in the bathroom is chosen for both aesthetics and practicality, ensuring that comfort and convenience are never compromised. When it comes to driving, this motorhome is engineered for both performance and stability. On a USA mountain highway, it handles curves with ease thanks to its aerodynamic design and robust chassis. The polished tires grip the road securely, and the suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on uneven terrain. The camera follows the motorhome as it navigates winding roads, with sunlight reflecting off its metallic body and chrome accents highlighting its grandeur and commanding presence. Whether driving through mountainous regions, open highways, or scenic routes, the vehicle offers an unmatched combination of luxury and performance. The motorhome is also perfect for more adventurous travel. Driving through a dense jungle, the vehicle's rugged build and smooth handling ensure a safe and comfortable journey. Sunlight filters through the foliage, highlighting the motorhome's reflective surfaces, and the surrounding greenery enhances the sense of adventure and exploration. Eventually, the motorhome parks near a serene lake, creating a picturesque scene. The calm water reflects the vehicle's metallic body, and the tranquil environment emphasizes the motorhome's versatility, allowing for luxurious travel in both urban and natural settings. Every feature in this motorhome is designed to provide a seamless experience of luxury and comfort. From the moment you approach the vehicle to the time you enjoy the lounge, kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom, every detail has been carefully considered. The combination of high-end materials, advanced technology, and thoughtful design ensures that this Mercedes motorhome is not just a vehicle, but a mobile sanctuary. Its presence commands attention, its interiors provide unmatched comfort, and its driving capabilities ensure confidence on any journey. Whether it is the reflective exterior, the detailed driver cabin, the spacious lounge, the modern kitchen, the elegant bedroom, or the sophisticated bathroom, this motorhome represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Its design demonstrates a deep understanding of what travelers desire: comfort, style, functionality, and an unforgettable experience. This is a vehicle that doesn't just take you from one destination to another, it transforms every journey into an experience worth remembering. In summary, the Mercedes luxury motorhome is a testament to innovation and luxury combined. Its meticulously crafted exterior, high-tech driver cabin, ultra-comfortable interiors, and advanced features make it a unique offering in the world of luxury travel. From showroom elegance to road-ready performance, it is designed to impress, comfort, and deliver the ultimate travel experience. Whether parked in a high-end showroom, driving along scenic highways, exploring natural landscapes, or offering a luxurious mobile living space, this motorhome is the embodiment of style, functionality, and opulence. Every element, from polished chrome and metallic finishes to plush interiors and ambient lighting, contributes to an unparalleled sense of luxury. For anyone seeking the ultimate combination of comfort, performance, and elegance on the road, this Mercedes motorhome is the perfect choice.